In this tutorial, I'll be reviewing the @UserID feature within Ripplestone. The @UserID feature is used with the dynamic pick list and the row-level security features. It filters data by substituting the current user's ID whenever the @UserID token is found. In this tutorial, we'll be using the dynamic pick list to filter the items listed in the drop-down when entering parameters. In another tutorial, I'll be reviewing how to use this with row-level security. To create a report with an @UserID, we first need to log in as an administrator. Then we need to move over to Administration, and then to Document Publishing. Find the report that we're interested in, click on Edit, move to the Dynamic Pick List tab, and in this case I've already entered the Dynamic Pick List parameter. So let's click on Edit, and from this screen we can see that the report has one parameter. It's called Customer ID, and it's using a database connection to a SQL Server database. It then has the picklist SQL that has the normal SQL in it, the select as value column ID and as description column from a certain table. But then it also has a where clause that uses the @UserID. So whenever this is run, it will substitute the @UserID token with the currently logged in user. And in this case it would take the first name from the users table and use it against the currently logged in user. So let's see how this would run. To test this, we'll need to log out and log in as a user. And then we can run the report. When the parameter page opens for this report, we can see that the drop-down list is populated with customers for the currently logged in user. If we then log out and log in as another user and run that same report again, this time when the parameter page opens for this report, we'll see that the drop-down list is changed and it's only for companies for the currently logged in user, in this case Dan. With the @UserID feature, you're able to publish one report and have that report dynamically populate a parameter list from the currently logged in user. So in this example, we had a customer detail report, and the parameter drop-down list was populated by either Jeff or Dan, depending on who was logged in. If you have any further questions about the @UserID, please give me a call at 888-767-4692, or you can send me an email at jeff@ripplestone.net. Thanks.